Putting that cage to work, huh?
Oh yeah,
That's what it's for.
I'm just doing what real bikers do, buying new forks.
Yeah, every time your forks blow out, don't replace the seals, just get new ones.
Exactly.
Besides, I don't even look at this thing half the time. The only time I look at this is to see how fast I'm going right before I do a wheelie.
Well, I'm watching a movie on Netflix right now.
Oh, okay. Well, don't be behind me. Yeah, I couldn't be behind that car any longer, going 2 miles an hour with a speed bump.
Caleb's stuck back there watching a movie.
Yep. Is it a good movie at least, Caleb?
No, it's okay. I'm not going to talk about what I just did. Well, it would have been nice to know that there was an oncoming truck. I'll just say that.
You didn't look?
Oh, I looked, but it came around at the bad time, at a bad time.
So where are you at? Are you in the ditch or are you behind us?
I'm right behind you. I just had to lane split between an oncoming truck and the car I was passing while I was also turning.
Well, maybe if you weren't watching a movie, you would have seen that truck coming.
I'm not watching a movie. I was kidding. How do you believe that I'm actually watching a movie right now?
It sounds like you were watching a movie. When the truck went by, I looked in my mirror. I seen the truck, I seen the white car, and I seen you, and you were still behind the white car.
Need a pair of channel locks, Adam? Because I do.
They're broke.
They're broke?
No, I was just trying to get you to go.
Well, we're going down that side road right there. Yeah, these are mine.
What brand are they?
I don't know. My brand. Don't come flying up on this turn. It is completely covered in sand. You will die.
Got you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah!
I think I died.
I did too.
Wait, who am I following?
We're both going to the same place, but I'm trying one way, he's trying the other way. My way should technically be faster, potentially, possibly, maybe. I don't know. And then right here, we bust a U-turn, Caleb.
Okay. I'm listening. I'm hearing. I'm feeling.
Turn around yet?
About to be. This car's kind of... I don't know yet. We're good.
Did you get me? Yep.
Alright, I got everybody.
Is this everybody? I feel like we're missing a lot of people.
No, this is everybody. They're all just next to you and stuff. We only had like 8 bikes.
Not very much of one.
I don't feel like we have everybody. We don't.
I don't think we do.
We do.
Are you sure? Where's Javier and all them?
They're behind me. I think we lost the R3 chick though.
It's a little tiny one.
I like tiny wheelies. They don't hurt as much.
This guy.
Yeah, that guy.
Bam! Into the test. Hold on.
Okay.
I will come by you. Here I come.
Did you see him jump those railroad tracks? He was like this high off the ground. No, but he really did jump it. He's gonna roll up and get me later. I just know it.
You're the problem.
Obviously. I suppose that's fair. Javier got me back. He didn't know where we're going and he took off.
There's a little smelly today, Adam.
What? No, you smell my gas from the stoppie I just did. It dumps out.
It's
You just
rich.
blasted Cody in the face.
He was behind me because he was talking about the smell.
Yeah, Cody just one hand closed his visor. Oh, we got it. Yeah, dude, it's so far back there.
There it is.
Oh my god, dude, send me that.
You're so insane.
Email it to me. Oh, and then oh no, he dropped it. Oh no. He went off the road doing circles. He's got a full cage. Putting that cage to work, huh?
Oh yeah,
That's what it's for.
Good job.
Anything broke?
No.
I didn't think so.
That's my fucking
Ego?
time now.
God, that guy is something else on the scooter. Good. Yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. Everything's fine. My ankle hurts a little. We're good. Huh?
Walk on it.
Walk on it, I'm fine.
Did you have your GoPro on?
Of course I did.
Fucking right. I didn't. You didn't do it again. Is that off your right?
Yeah. What happened?
Wow, did you scrape it or something or what?
No, I didn't hit yet.
Went sideways.
Alright.
Your back tire went left.
I couldn't save that one.
You could see, I mean, you saved the best you could. That was the best outcome right there. That's why you got a cage.
That's what we got the cage for. I broke my sunglasses. I literally right then, pulling them off, I broke them. Right here hurts a little.
What do you think about some Whataburger?
I think it's about time.
Look, the glasses.
I did that afterwards. I was pulling them off and I broke them. Alright, everybody get out of the way. I gotta do another wheelie.
Should I?
Yeah, got to. If you don't do it, you'll never do it again.
It's already a battery.
I don't need the comms on. Everybody get out of the way.
Hello.
It's fine, it's just a spring.
Alright, that's probably good enough. Yeah, we can go whenever you guys are ready. Oh no, that's what happened! I got a fucking nail in my tire. That's what fucking pulled it.